Alright, see this shit though. Hey, yo, squirrel! Mr. Squirrel! Shit, man, this nigga ain't turning around. Damn, that nigga's eating that shit fast as fuck. Look at that little bird, nigga. Look at my bald head. That nigga's right there. I don't know if y'all can see, but he's right there on that motherfucking roof with that yellow shit sticking out. Watch. I want to see him show his vertical. Let me raise this motherfucking shit up. Alright, dog. He's right there on that motherfucking roof. When this, I bet you if this nigga jumps, he gonna see how high this nigga's vertical is. Watch. Come on, Mr. Squirrel. Mr. Noodles. Man, where the fuck is... That nigga's right there, dog. Fuck, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Hold on. You see him right there, dog. That bitch ass squirrel. Hold on, let me put this shit down. Let me see if he moves. Mr. Squirrel! Oh, look at the bird trying to fuck with his shit. Oh shit. Look at these motherfucking birds, dog. Yo, fuck his ass up. Damn, that nigga just took his whole tostada, nigga. Damn, what you gonna do about it, you bitch ass squirrel? You ain't do shit, nigga. Woo! Nigga, that nigga just scared as hell. You ain't even moving, nigga. Nigga, that bitch ass nigga right there. Look at these niggas. These niggas are some motherfucking goons. Look at these niggas. These niggas are... Damn, that nigga just fell off the whole shit, nigga. Oh my god, nigga just fell. Where's the bitch ass nigga, that fluffy ass fucking man? Man, fuck that nigga. I'm about to cut this shit off. I want bitch ass squirrel.